welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, the IPSY Glam Bag is a monthly subscription. There are actually 3 different bags that you can get, or tiers, however you want to look at it. The Glam Bag Plus, which is the one I'm going to be unboxing today, is the middle level. And in the IPSY Glam Bag, there's the Glam Bag Plus, and the Glam Bag Ultimate. In all of them, you receive a bag with a mixture of makeup, skincare, hair care, nail products. It could be anything like that. And the different levels give you different types and varieties of products. The Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size items in a drawstring bag. You do have the option to customize 3 out of the 5, which is pretty cool and different than a lot of other subscriptions. They say the value will be $120 or more. The other options are the regular Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples with a value of $50 or more. Or the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month. You get 8 full-size items plus 4 deluxe samples with a value of $250 or more. So as I said, this is the Plus. Bag is awfully full this month, although I did get a couple of add-ons, so that's probably what's making it full. So let's see what we've got in here. I do have, here's the bag this month. There are some items outside the bag, but here's the bag this month. It's really cool looking. And on the back it just says, "Your Magic." I had seen pictures of it and I was really kind of excited, but I was hoping it would have been a more luxurious fabric, something like a crushed velvet or something like that, to make it more witchy, for lack of a better word. Like, this is just a plain, like, cotton or whatever fabric. There's nothing exciting about it. So yeah, I'm less than thrilled. I think the design is really cool, and I would have loved it if it was a more luxe fabric, but you don't get to choose that, unfortunately. But let's start with some of the items that are outside the bag that couldn't fit, so let's start with those. The first one, and let me put this down here, is a palette, and it's from NOMAD Cosmetics, and it is the Berlin Underground palette. And see, these are intense eyeshadows formulated with superfine pigments and infused with hemp seed oil for a buttery feel yet fierce color payoff. So it's 15 alternative shades in shimmery metallics, matte and duochromes, inspired by the rebellious underground culture of Berlin before and after the wall. The perfect color palette for creating both everyday go-to looks with bronzes, browns, and golds, and a unique smoky eyes with snakeskin green, burnt orange, and distressed black. Wow. Okay, there is a mirror here, but I'm going to put it down. Here is the color palette. And, this kind of takes me back to the, the real grungy kind of looks of what seems like long ago. Not really my vibe anymore. It is cool though, and one of the highlights of my trip to Germany was actually getting to see remnants of the wall. So it was pretty cool actually, and I got to perform in Berlin. But this is just not my vibe. It looks really cool. I'm not going to swatch it because it's not something I would ever reach for, unfortunately. I would swatch it, I would use it once, and then it would sit in a drawer, and I've already got too many palettes that do that. So I think this is something that is going to go in a future giveaway. But it does retail for $37. It looks really cool. It's just not my vibe anymore. So, but at $37, we're already way ahead of the $25 that we paid for this bag, and we haven't even touched the bag yet. So, let's see what else is in there. Hopefully something I can use. Okay, and we have another big item in here, and yeah, I'll use this. Because those of you who've been around a while know what I'm going to say. It's a brush. This was one of my choice items, and they say that this is the Plush powder brush. I'm going to take it out of the bottom because I don't want to have to undo the top. Say it's ideal for applying light powder to large areas of the face and body. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and eco-friendly. Multi-purpose complexion brush featuring a large dome shape and exclusive Syntec bristles that pick up and deposit the perfect amount of powder. Ensuring quick all-over application for a natural finish. Now, I've never had a complex culture brush. I've seen them and wanted to try them, but I didn't want to pay for them because I already have a lot of expensive brushes. So when this one came up as an option, I decided I had to try it. Here is the brush. And retail on this is $35, and it is very soft. I will say it's not quite as soft as my BK Beauty brush, which is, these are extraordinary, but it's pretty close. I'm going to be really happy with this. So yeah, this one's already made the box for me, and again, we haven't even opened the bag yet. Okay, let's get into the bag. And the first item I see was not supposed to be in my bag this month. It's not what's listed on their website, so I'm not sure what happened, but I'm not mad about it. This is from Dr. BRANDT, and it is PoreDermabrasion. This is a pore perfecting exfoliator. Hopefully that is clear for you. I know it can be hard with these ring lights. This is a professional grade treatment that uses physical and chemical exfoliation to target impurities with extreme precision, deep cleaning and refining pores to the vanishing point for a smoother, more even complexion. And this is for all skin types. Retail on this is $58. On the website, it said that I was supposed to have been getting the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I believe this was one of the items that IPSY chose. I honestly don't remember. We'll see as we go through if I can remember which ones, but I believe it was. Either I wasn't crazy about the other choices either, or they chose the Shape Tape Setting Powder for me, because I wouldn't have picked it if I had better choices. So either way, I'm not disappointed at all that I didn't get that, and then I got this instead. Here's the card. And it says, "Your magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand, this month cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap, let your intuition guide you to your goals." Unfortunately, no products inside. Oh well. Okay, our next product from Thrive Cosmetics is their Brilliant Eye Brightener. And there's that. Hopefully that's... There we go. This was a choice item. It says, "Our Brilliant Eye Brightener is a cream to powder highlighter that brightens and opens the eyes, providing an instant eye lift. This can be used as eyeshadow, highlighter, or in the waterline. It is ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested, and approved, safe for contact lens wearers, and proven to be non-irritating. It is available in 7 shades, and the shade I received was supposed to have been Emma, the copper shimmer, again according to the website, but I got Aurora, the rose gold shimmer. Again, not unhappy about that. I didn't choose the shade, it was just the one that they had chosen for me. So here is the product itself, and let's open it up. That is very pretty. I actually think I'm happier with this than I would have been with the copper. So, but there's definitely something going on with the website this month. I don't know if it's just me or if everybody's not necessarily getting what it says on the website. But again, I'm not unhappy about it, and the retail value on this one is $24. Okay, let's go in for our next item. in this seemingly never-ending bag of tricks. This is from VOSS, and this is the Creme Brulee mini palette. This was a choice item. This is a 10-pan fun-size eyeshadow palette, and they say it was an assortment of browns and sweet creams, although the picture looks like we've got some oranges and things in there as well, or coppers. So let's see if I can open it up without tearing the box, because I actually chose this one knowing I might not keep it, but deciding that of the options, this was the one that I could use in a giveaway, and you know, the one that I thought people would be most interested in. So some of the other products, I don't even remember what they were, but you do not want to open. Okay, let's open it up and take a look. Now as I said, did get this knowing that I probably wouldn't keep it, but I might. We'll see what it actually looks like. Here's the inside. It is cardboard packaging. Hopefully that's coming into focus for you. And let's take a look. There is a mirror on the top. And then there's the actual colors. And it's very pretty. It's, you know, definitely fall neutrals with a couple of those rusty kind of orangey colors. Not really something I would use a lot, but again, I figured that if I didn't like it, or it wasn't something I would use, I would pass it along to someone who would get more use out of it. There weren't too many of the other options. This was the one that I felt was either more likely that someone else would get some use out of it if I didn't. So that is the VOSS Creme Brulee Mini Palette, retails for $18. So that's the main bag. I do have some add-ons that we'll get to in a second, but let's talk about the bag itself. So we got the NOMAD Cosmetics Berlin Underground Palette, the Dr. BRANDT PoreDermabrasion, the Complex Culture Powder Brush from Thrive Cosmetics, the Brilliant Eye Brightener, and the Violet VOSS Fun-Sized Creme Brulee Palette. So again, they promised 5 full-size items with a value over $120. We certainly got 5 items. And the retail value of these items, not counting the bag, because I wouldn't pay for the bag, but not counting it anyway, was $172. So I cannot be mad at that, even if I'm only going to keep a few of them. And both palettes are going to go into future giveaways. Remind me, I'll talk about giveaways in a minute. I'm still not mad at it because, like I said, just the brush alone was going to make it for me. But, you know, I've got a couple of other things that I may use, and for $21, just, you know, I would have paid more than that for the brush alone. So I'm pretty happy with it. So let's take a quick look at my add-ons that came with this. The first one is from 111 Skin, and this is Cryo ATP Sports Booster. And this booster works to energize and revive tired-looking and lackluster skin through delivery of pure cellular energy, mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin. This booster contains natural cellular energy, ATP, to encourage more oxygen for optimized cell function. A few drops of this highly charged formula will reignite lackluster skin, leaving it tightened, toned, and refined for a reinvigorated complexion. Perfect for use post-workout or when skin is feeling dull. This booster will prolong freshness for an enlivened and refreshed complexion. Retail value on this, $135. Unfortunately, I can tell you, I'll tell you at the end what I paid for all my add-ons, but unfortunately I don't have, I didn't write down what the individual prices were, but here's the bottle. It's beautiful. I hope that you can, I don't know if you can read it because those reflective surfaces can be tough to focus, but again, retail value on this, $135. I love serums and boosters and bears, oh my. So for, you know, the price that this was, I want to say $18, but I'm not sure. Retail of $135. I'm quite happy with that. So next we have from, make sure I'm getting the right one, from Kate Somerville. This is from the KX Active Concentrates, the Bio-Mimicking Peptides Serum. And this is a high-performance serum clinically proven to diminish fine lines and wrinkles while tightening skin. Lightweight and packed with powerful peptides. It's a clinical-grade serum that works quickly and over time to increase firmness and elasticity, diminish fine lines and wrinkles, and help improve skin's barrier. I don't know if that's going to focus. Writing on the white is tough. It's clinically tested safe for sensitive skin, and the retail value on this is $98. And also from Kate Somerville, the KX Active Concentrates Squalene and Hyaluronic Serum. This is a super hydrating, high-performance serum, clinically proven to visibly repair and replenish dehydrated skin. Hydration superhero hyaluronic acid joins forces with deeply moisturizing squalene to deliver instant and lasting hydration to dull, thirsty skin. You'll see healthier looking, dewy, luminous results instantly and over time. This one also retails for $98. So that was all I got in the add-ons, which for me, 3 items, that's pretty good, right? The retail value of all 3 of my add-ons, I'm going to be just serum on serum on serum, $331 for these 3 products, and I paid $54 for all 3. So that's, 84% discount. You just can't go wrong. Make sure you check out my 1 month on YouTube giveaway video. Giveaways running through the 21st of October. It's over $400 of makeup and other beauty products, and there are hopefully something for everyone. So if you haven't done it already, check it out, and hopefully if you like something in there, you'll enter. Be sure to check out the rules though, and make sure that your subscriptions are on public. I've got several people now that I've noticed that have entered that their subscriptions aren't public, so make sure you double check that. Not just for me, but most giveaways that I've seen on YouTube do require that. So anyway, let me know what you thought. Do you subscribe to IPSY? What did you get this month? What did you think of what I got? Would you have kept either of those 2 palettes, or are they not your vibe either? Anything else that you want to let me know about? What did you think of the bag? Like I said, I think it's really cute, but the lining, which is shiny, the other side of the fabric, I actually like better than the outside, so I'm kind of bummed. But anyway, leave any comments down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.